pandemic has caused us to stay home and mask up almost everywhere we travel. The beach is one place you can shed your mask, take a deep breath, and enjoy the scenery, soothing sounds and salty sea breeze. The sound and vision of the ocean lifts our mood, and the touch of the sand and the smell and feel of the seashore breeze connects us to nature and leads to relaxation. On a biological level, this audiovisual actually incites our parasympathetic nervous system that activates rest and digest, as opposed to fight and flight response, as first responders often experience as a consequence of your job. Sea air is charged with negative ions, which increases our happy hormone serotonin. And getting into the water and floating on the waves can actually create a meditative state. Consider a trip to the beach in your free time to calm yourself, or to take a walk with your loved ones just to reconnect. But if you can't get to the beach today, sit back and enjoy this moment that matters by the Jersey Shore to relax, restore, and maybe if you take a deep breath, you might imagine the smell of the ocean wherever you are.